Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Obviously, today it's all eyes on NVDA. They report their earnings after the closing bell today, and you can see that as of right now, it's pretty indecisive. This is basically a doji candle. I mean, it's looks like bears are trying to gain control right now, but we'll see. A lot of wick on that thing, total indecision. We did gap up though on the open. We closed here yesterday, gapped up to essentially where we're at right now. So we'll have to see how that plays out. The indexes, though, like it pretty well. You can see that we're all green over here and making an attempt to gain some ground after some mega selling. This is the NASDAQ, just 3 days of intense selling, and we're still below the clouds, still below the parabolic SAR, still below the turning line and the standard line. So we have a lot of work to do, but keep an eye out for the NVIDIA earnings after the bell today, and we'll get a sense of maybe which direction we'll head going forward. I'll be speaking at the Woodford Wealth Summit later today. It's hosted by my buddy Hubert Centers. You'll hear from Mark Helwig, Silas Peters, Tyson Clayton, myself, and James Bishop. I'll be speaking at 2 o'clock. That's Eastern time zone. I would love to see you there. I'll drop a link to this registration page below, and you can claim your spot now for free. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.